Hi guys, hope you've had a great week. Thanks to everybody who watched my last week's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. This week I'm going to have a go at this. I made this, I don't know, it must be 4 or 5 months ago. And what it is, there's loads of different woods in a multicoloured resin. And the reason I haven't done nothing with it is because it's so big and thick, it's took a little while to dry out. So I thought I'd get this on the lathe and see if we can make a bowl out of it. So that's this week's project, a multi-blocked bowl. Right guys, I've got my basic shape. As you can see, where it hasn't stuck to the wood properly, I've got a few gaps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some resin filler or gel filler and just fill them up, get rid of those. So that's what we'll do next. you go guys, all done. I made this blank a while ago before I started the channel, when I first started turning. I watched a few guys on YouTube who were mixing wood and resin together to make some nice looking bowls. So what I did is I had some oak, beech, birch and yew laying around, so I cut some blocks, made a mould, laid all the blocks on top of each other, and then I poured the resin in, hoping they were going to hold together. And lucky enough, they have held together. This was one of the first experiments I did with wood and resin. It's been sitting around for a while, so you know I was always a little bit dubious whether it's going to fall apart on me when I start turning it, but lucky enough it hasn't. It's turned out quite well. I love the look of the different colours, because the resin is like orange, red and a real pale yellow, but you can't really see the yellow. It's blended in with the colour. So you've got slightly different colours mixed in with the different colour woods, and I like that effect. It looks like it's a bit of a mixed match bowl or pot. So no, I do like it. I'll stick some stills on at the end so you can get a better look at it, because obviously you can't really see it very well with the lighting in here in the camera. So the sequence I went through, I took it from 80 grit up to 150, then I sand and sealed it, then we took it from 150 up to 600 to give it the smooth finish and the shine on the resin. The resin could have been polished a little bit further, but I didn't want to go too far and get too much water into the wood grain. So I was happy to leave it at 600. It's still got a shine on it, you know what I mean, it's a few little score marks in it, but it's got a shine on it, it's okay. So then we Yorkshire gritted it and then friction polished it, so it's given it the shine. So you know, I'm happy with that, I'm pleased, and you know guys, give me your comments, let me know what you think of it. So yeah, that's this week's project. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, new and old. Your support is overwhelming. For those guys who have supported me from day one, thank you very much. You know what I mean, you're the people why I do this, because if I didn't get any support then I wouldn't bother doing it, I'd just close the channel. But I appreciate your support and I appreciate the comments, so keep them coming, let's keep it fresh. And if there's certain things you want me to try or have a go at, then give me a shout, because I'm always happy to have a go at a challenge. So for everybody who liked, please like and share. We've still got room to grow, always room to grow. To all my new subscribers, thank you very much. To all the existing subscribers, thank you very much. And to all those who have watched and haven't subscribed, why not? Please do. We need your support. So that's this week's project. Have a great weekend. There'll be a fresh new project for next week. And take it easy, and I'll see you next week.